all trades. Welcome back to my week of Spooktacular for October 2018. And today is day 5. Oh my gosh, it's almost done and I still have like so many looks that I want to show you guys and do. But I had to narrow it down. This is what we're going to do for day 5. Should be a pretty quick video, so hope you guys enjoy. Other than my eyebrows, I worked really hard on them, but they're super dark and I feel like the disguise man with the big nose and the glasses. But that's alright. Alright, we're gonna get through this, so let's get started. Alrighty. Alright guys, that is the final look. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, it's a sombrero. I don't have a cowboy hat. But you get the effect, right? Here. I mean, as long as you don't see the colorful part. Maybe that could work. Alrighty. Well, let me take this off. I feel funny. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I feel like this is something simple that you could even use for kids, you know, of course without the lashes, but I really, really love the effect this has. It's like a, I don't know, I love it. So I hope that you guys do enjoy it. Give me a big thumbs up. If you did like it, this was definitely fun. This completes day 5, so stay tuned for tomorrow for our last and final day. And I may continue, I really just, I have some stuff, so we're gonna do more Halloween-y type stuff through the end of the month anyway, but these are the Halloween looks. So if you are not already, subscribe for more awesome videos, and we'll see you on my next one.